Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to give you a tour of our living room all decorated for Christmas. I'm so excited to be part of a Christmas home tour collab today, hosted by Lisa of Farmhouse on Boone. Love her, you will too, so make sure to check out the playlist link in the description box below to see Lisa's home, as well as a bunch of other homes from some of my favorite YouTubers all decorated for Christmas. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post videos about DIY and decor ideas on a budget. I have a sort of farmhouse, vintage glam, boho style. So if you like that sort of thing, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell when you subscribe, and you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. My Christmas tour today is of my living room. I'm keeping my own decor simple this year because I did decorate a whole other home this year for charity. I will leave a link to that tour in the description box below. So I promised myself if I was going to do that project, I was going to keep my own home relatively simple. So this year I'm just going to focus on my porch, my living room, and then a couple of tablescapes for Christmas. So today I'm going to share with you our living room. Originally I was thinking I'm going to keep this super simple, and then I started working on it and it just turned into something totally different. So I really hope you like it. So let's get started. So we recently gave our living room a makeover this fall. I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to see what we did and how we did it. So here's how it looked in the fall. I ended up completely rearranging the living room, mostly because of the tree. I wanted to see the Christmas tree from top to the bottom, so I moved the couch to face the fireplace, and I actually really like this arrangement a lot better. It's really cozy. You can see the tree. I like how it's long, which is matching the shape of our living room a little bit better, and I'm probably going to keep it this way after Christmas too. Here's a look at our Christmas tree. I ended up buying a whole new faux Christmas tree. This one's from Costco. It's flocked because the homeowner at the Homes for the Holidays house that I did liked the Christmas tree I did there so much she decided to buy the whole thing from me, which was great. And then I found this velvet pink ribbon at Canadian Tire that really inspired me to add some pink to our Christmas decor this year. So I put this velvet pink ribbon in my tree like this. I will leave a link to the video on how I put ribbon on a Christmas tree. I have a whole video on that if you're interested to see my technique, and I definitely love adding ribbon to Christmas trees for that romantic look. So I have some pink ribbon, I have this metallic stripe ribbon, and then I found this copper colored Merry and Bright banner. I found this at Canadian Tire as well, and I actually really like the stuff they had for Christmas this year. So I bought this Merry and Bright banner. I love how it adds a little bit of whimsy to our Christmas tree. And then I found these sparkly holly berry branches, also from Canadian Tire, and I just added them into the tree, as well as these picks I found at Michael's. They're frosty pine picks with some pine cones as well, and I love adding picks to add fullness to the tree. I also added some of my handmade macrame feather ornaments and some of these sparkling glass ornaments with some copper accents. So basically the theme of my tree is metallics, warm metallics like copper and gold, and then I'm adding in some white and gold and copper Christmas balls. Something that I like to do when I decorate Christmas trees is I like to put the Christmas balls deep into the tree, as well as on the exterior of the branches, to give my tree a nice full look. So I'm really happy with how this tree turned out. I love the flocked look. It's so romantic and beautiful for Christmas, and I topped it all off with this copper tree star. I also added some more cozy elements to our living room, like this really sweet blanket. I found it at our grocery store called the Superstore, and then I'm adding some more romantic accents, like just these beaded garlands I found at Michael's, some more velvet ribbon, and some wrapping paper that I got from our grocery store as well, and HomeSense. So here's the finished tree. I love it. It's so romantic. It's a little bit feminine, but I think it's so pretty for Christmas. Another reason I like this tree, this one's from Costco, is because you can easily switch the lights with the remote. So you can have either white lights, or my daughters really love the colorful lights, so we put those on at night for them. I wanted to talk a little bit about live garland. So I ordered this garland from Costco. You can pre-order it, and you can decide which day you want it to come in at. And something I learned actually just this year was to soak it overnight in the bathtub before you put it up, just to make sure that it has a lot of moisture. It's not going to last as long inside, only a few weeks, but if you put live garland outside, it's going to last a whole lot longer, so keep that in mind. I think I might actually move this garland outside for a couple weeks after I do some photos and videos of it for my blog and YouTube channel, just so I can enjoy it longer inside. You could also mist it every now and then to just keep that moisture in. So I wanted to do an asymmetrical mantle display here for Christmas. So I put this garland on, I put some twinkle lights, and then I found these really pretty stocking hangers at HomeSense. They're gold and beaded. I thought they would be so pretty for Christmas. These stockings I handmade. I will leave a link to the tutorial to make those in the description box below. I have a full tutorial on my blog, and then I'm adding this pink ribbon. This is probably my favorite find for my own home this year, to some of the stockings to add that nice romantic look. I also added a little bit more faux greenery to the left side of my mantle to make it really full on this end for that asymmetrical look, and then I draped the left side of the garland all the way to the floor. I really love how beautiful this mantle looks. There's really nothing like fresh greenery. I also layered a faux eucalyptus garland I found at IKEA to give the mantle a really full look. I also moved this glamorous mirror from our dining room to the top of the mantle as well to kind of go along with this romantic glam feel that we're going for Christmas. I also took some garland that I found at Michael's. This is just a faux pine garland, and I'm twisting it around our chandelier. For the top of the coffee table, I just took some fake peonies and some random greenery. I also have some candles and some votives. And then I put out some really yummy shortbread cookies and some copper mugs to kind of go with this vintagey, warm, metallic feel. On our sofa, I have some velvet pink pillows and some furry pillows for coziness and texture. And in this corner of the room, I have my handmade little mini houses calendar. I have a video all about that I posted yesterday. I will leave a link to it in the description box below. And then on the sideboard here, I just have some random Christmassy things. So some faux wrapped presents, a eucalyptus wreath, this Amazing Grace sign from William Ray Designs. And then I just like to kind of sprinkle ornaments all around my Christmas decor to match the rest of the decor. I also found these vases at HomeSense, and this wreath I've had in my collection for quite a long time. In this corner over here, I have almost like a little wrapping station set up with a chair, my boots, some faux presents, and here's how the living room looks from the top-down view. It is so cozy. I'm so happy with it. It turned out a little more elaborate and a little more feminine than I originally planned. I was trying so hard to go for just a simple greenery Christmas, but again, when I saw that pink velvet ribbon, I was sold. I thought, hey, I'm gonna add some pink, and I'm gonna add some velvet, and I'm gonna add some texture into our Christmas decor, and this is how it turned out. Here's how it looks at night. Like I said, we like to pop on those colored lights for the girls. They love them. And I love how cozy and warm this living room is with our fireplace on. Thanks so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed our Christmas living room tour. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite part was. Stay tuned for more videos of our Christmas home. I will be doing our porch. I'll be doing some tablescapes in our dining room. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for those videos. Again, make sure to check out the playlist in the description box below for all of the other videos in this Christmas tour collab. I can't wait to watch them all, and I'm sure you're going to be inspired. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!